Hey minors, thanks for taking the time to learn about these important topics. We know that accomplishing academic success goes hand in hand with taking care of your own personal needs. Keep in mind that this video series is just an introduction to UTEP, a community of care. In the following weeks, you'll be asked to complete additional online trainings that'll better prepare you for experiences you might face at college. Remember, minors take care of minors. And welcome to UTEP!
Hello, minors.
I said welcome.
Plagiarism, sorry. I'm sorry.
Let's start with cheating. So sorry.
I don't remember the last one.
Something about expressions, about,
This is highly stressful.
Yeah.
Sex without consent is assault. Redo.
How did you emphasize every word?
Dang it.
Sorry. I messed up because I looked down.
The handbook of operating procedures.
What am I doing?
Research online.
I don't even know. I don't know where that came from.
Tell them it's not their fault. Do whatever you want.
That's why it's critical that. Dang it.
Their office hours and contact information.